Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Now that you know what to look for, let's dive into how to properly replace your trailer truck's air filter. It's simpler than you might think. Cleaning the air filter housing. A new filter won't do its job if the housing is full of gunk. Debris left inside can bypass the filter and scratch your engine's internals. Here's how to clean it right. Vacuum loose dirt. Use a brush attachment to suck out dust from corners. Avoid blowing air, it just pushes debris deeper. Wipe with a damp cloth. A microfiber rag lightly dampened with water, no solvents, removes stubborn grime. Dry thoroughly before installing the new filter. Check the intake tube. Run your finger along the inside. Gritty residue? Wipe it clean to prevent restrictions. Miss this step, and you might as well keep the old filter. Installing the new air filter. Drop-in replacements should fit snugly. If it's loose, you've got the wrong size. Here's how to avoid common mistakes. Match the rubber gasket. Align the sealing edges perfectly. A crooked filter lets dirt sneak past. Don't force it. If resistance hits, double-check the orientation. Some filters have "top" stamped on the frame. Secure the housing lightly. Over-tightening screws warps the cover, creating gaps. Finger tight plus a quarter turn is plenty. Before closing up, give the housing a final nudge to ensure everything sits flush. Start the engine and listen for whistling sounds. That's air escaping where it shouldn't. A clean filter is instant relief for a suffocating engine. Skip the shortcuts, and your truck will pull harder, burn cleaner, and last longer. Choosing the right air filter for your trailer truck. Picking the best air filter isn't just about swapping out the old one. It's about matching your truck's needs to the right type of filter. The wrong choice can mean wasted money, extra maintenance, or even engine damage. Let's break down the options so you can make an informed decision without the guesswork. Types of air filters: paper versus foam versus cotton. Each filter type has its own strengths. Here's how they stack up. Paper filters. Pros. Affordable, excellent particle capture, good for standard driving conditions. Cons. Not reusable, throw them away when dirty. They'll collapse if wet. Best for fleet trucks or drivers who stick to paved roads and follow regular maintenance schedules. Foam filters. Pros. Washable, just use soap and water, better airflow than paper in some cases. Cons. Needs frequent cleaning, can break down faster in extreme heat. Best for off-road or dusty environments where frequent cleaning is practical. Cotton, performance, filters. Pros. Reusable with proper care, offers high airflow for turbocharged engines. Cons. More expensive upfront, requires oiling, messy if done wrong. Best for hotshot or high-performance trucks where airflow matters as much as filtration. Stuck choosing? If budget's tight and roads are clean, paper works. For rough terrain, foam or cotton pays off long-term. OEM versus aftermarket filters. Original equipment manufacturer, OEM, filters come straight from your truck's maker. Aftermarket options are third-party. Here's what to know before buying. OEM filters. Guaranteed fit, no guessing if it'll seal right. Often more expensive, but backed by engine warranties. Ideal for newer trucks or leases where warranty compliance matters. Aftermarket filters cheaper upfront, with some matching OEM quality. Quality varies wildly. Stick to reputable brands, e.g., Fleetguard, Donaldson. Watch for non-standard sizes that leak dirt or lack proper gaskets. A $10 aftermarket filter might seem like a deal until it cracks in cold weather. But that doesn't mean all aftermarket filters are bad, just avoid the no-name ones. How often to replace your air filter? Manufacturers suggest 15,000 to 30,000 miles, but your real-world mileage may vary. Check it every oil change or sooner if you spot these red flags. Dusty or off-road driving. Change it every 10,000 miles, or less if you're plowing through dirt roads daily. Black soot at the exhaust means your engine's choking on dirty air. Drop in fuel efficiency. Clogged filters cost you MPGs. A good trick? Pull the filter every 10,000 miles and hold it up to the sun. If light barely comes through, it's time. One last tip. Always keep a spare filter in your toolbox. High winds or unexpected detours can turn a clean filter into a clogged one fast. Common mistakes to avoid when replacing air filters. Even simple jobs like swapping an air filter can go wrong if you cut corners. Save yourself the hassle of rework, engine damage, or warranty headaches by steering clear of these common slip-ups. Skipping the inspection. A new filter won't fix a cracked housing or loose clamps. Before dropping in a replacement, take 30 seconds to check these spots. Housing seals. Cracked or warped edges let dirt bypass the filter. Run your finger along the rim, it should feel smooth, not crumbly. Intake tubing. Look for splits or collapsed sections that restrict airflow. A kinked hose is like breathing through a straw. Fasteners. Missing clips or stripped bolts? Even a small gap can wreck your engine's protection. Inspect every time. Dust hides in sneaky places. Using the wrong filter type. Not all filters are equal. Throwing in whatever's cheapest can backfire fast. Off-brand filters may not seal properly, letting grit into your engine like a busted screen door. Performance filters, like oiled cotton, can mess with mass airflow sensors if over-oiled. Universal fit often means fits poorly. A wobbling filter is worse than no filter at all. Stick to OEM or trusted aftermarket brands, Fleetguard, Donaldson. If the price seems too good to be true, it probably is. Ignoring manufacturer recommendations. Your truck's manual isn't just decoration, it's your engine's playbook. Deviating from it risks premature wear. Waiting 50,000 miles to replace a 30,000-mile filter starves your engine. Voided warranties. Some brands require OEM filters for coverage. That $20 savings could cost you $5,000 later. Misfires. Wrongly sized filters can confuse air-to-fuel ratios. When in doubt, match the part number stamped on your old filter. No stamp? Cross-reference with your VIN at a parts counter. A minute spent verifying specs beats weeks in the shop. Your truck works hard. Give it the clean air it deserves. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.